Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. So it's been about, oh my goodness, maybe about a month since I've recorded a Beebeecraft haul, and I wanted to thank Beebeecraft for allowing me to have the time to create these crafts. I did email them and let them know that I had an emergency, I had to leave, so they were okay in allowing me to do a project share after I came back. So anyways, let's go ahead and show you what I created. But first, let me go ahead and show you guys the items that I received from them on my last haul. And these are such cute buttons. They're like wooden buttons and they're so cute. Oh my goodness, I love these are amazing. And the first thing that I thought of was stamps, and wow. Anyway, so I'll show you what I created in a minute. And then I got these Noel little charms, and these are so cute, you guys. Oh my goodness, the quality of these are so amazing. I mean, oh my goodness, they are amazing. You guys, look, they are awesome. So I got these, and then I got the beads, and these beads are 6mm and these are 4mm. So these are the Christmas beads that they have, but I went ahead and did both Christmas and Valentine's since it's coming up. And then these are other items that I have from Beebeecraft as well. So I will link everything down on the description below. And I also used these right here. I also got these right here, and there you go. So let me show you what I ended up creating. And excuse the glare, I am going to move these because of the glare. And what did I create? So using these, and these right here, I ended up creating these. There you go. What do you guys think? Oh my gosh. So I wanted to make a card using these and setting them as stamps, but I also wanted to create something so totally different. So this is what I came up with. So whoa, aren't they cute? Oh my gosh. So I did that one. I'll move this one out of the way. Move this one in here. And then I also created this one right here, and this is using the beads, and I went ahead and punched holes on the sides. On this one I punched a hole on the top and on the bottom, and there you go. And then look at this, and I used the beads. I used both sizes. I used the 6mm and the 4mm, and then I used this wire right here, and then I used this jump rings, and there you go. And I used the clasps right there, and there you go. Oh my gosh, I think these came out so adorable. And then, so in order for me to package these, I went ahead and put a bit of this crinkle paper in here. As you guys could see, it's see-through. You guys can't really tell on these, but once you open it, all you have to do is go ahead and put it in here, and voila. And this looks so cute because the stamps are here and then the stamp right here. So all you have to do is just go ahead and seal it up, and it is ready to be sent off to whoever you're going to be sent off. And that is so cute. You could use these cellophane bags, and you know, with candy, goodies for kids, for your fellow crafters. So awesome. I love these. So there you go. And then what else did I end up creating? I also ended up creating these for Valentine's, and I went ahead and dangled or did the jump rings right here, and then put it on a jumbo paper clip, and then did the beads right here on the bottom. So I thought that was so cute. And then I also went ahead and did this one, and on this one I used the wiring, and I just went ahead and spelled loved, and then I put the beads in here, as you guys could see, at the beginning and at the end. And then I went ahead and spreaded some beads right there on the sides, and I thought this turned out so cute. This is just a cute little box I made out of scratch, and there you go. So anyways, that is it for this project share. I will be coming back with another project share. Hopefully you guys like this. Please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you on board. Now all the items that I've shown you here will be linked on the description below. Also, you guys, if you guys order anything over $25 from Beebeecraft, you guys, over $25, you get free shipping. If you guys order over $40, I do have a coupon code. I will link that down on the description below, so you can go ahead and use that. And thank you again, everybody, for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.